You know how to trust your gut when it comes to clients. You follow your energy in your healing sessions. You choose your crystals, your mentors, your courses, all intuitively. But when it comes to money decisions, you freeze. You second guess. You fall into, what if I make the wrong choice? Or maybe I should just wait. Let me lovingly say this. That's not because you're bad with money. It's because no one ever taught you how to use your intuition in your financial life. Most women were taught that money decisions should be made with logic and spreadsheets. No feelings allowed. And if you grew up hearing that intuition and finances don't mix, you likely learned to separate your power from your money. But what if I told you the most successful, soul aligned financial choices I've ever made came not from my calculator, but from my body? Here's the shift. Intuition isn't instead of information. It's how you interpret it. It's how you align it with your energy, your values, and your nervous system. When your body says yes, it's not always loud. It's a calm knowing, a grounded clarity. Here's how to begin using your intuition for financial decisions. Get quiet, breathe, regulate your body, come home to your center. Ask clearly, is this aligned for me right now? Feel the signal. Your body will tell you. Tension, gut drop, heart expansion. Trust that. Take action. Even small intuitive steps build confidence in your decision making. And here's the most beautiful part. When you learn to trust your intuition with money, you stop outsourcing your power. You stop needing someone else to tell you what to charge, or how to grow, or where to invest. You start making choices from a place of alignment, not anxiety. If you're ready to deepen that trust and want a safe place to explore what your next aligned move looks like, I'd love to invite you to a complimentary business strategy power session. We'll tune in, map out what's getting you stuck, and feel into what's next. No pressure, just presence. The link is in my bio. Because your intuition doesn't shut off when money enters the room. It just needs to be invited back in.